Brittany told us we'd better work to enjoy our life. Okay, here's a set of gadgets for your workspace to make that process a bit more comfortable. No matter whether you have to participate in a video conference, go live, or just sit in your home office all day long. Wow, is that a portable monitor? Well, sort of. It's equipped with a portable touchscreen that supports multiple functions. Use it as a separate unit when you want to watch movies or play games. But when it's time for you to work a little, connect it to your laptop, PC, or any other device and start performing the tasks. Want to expand your main display? Okay. You prefer to work with a vertical screen? No problem. You need both a display and a keyboard right in front of your eyes. Every win for your money. There are 6 languages at your service. Finally, a whole bunch of ports increases the expansion. Stay productive. So many of us are using their phone as an additional tool when working, so we need to keep it charged. This Oakywood MagSafe iPhone stand will make sure your phone will be juiced up while you're working. Its milled wooden backrest tilts the device at a 25-degree angle, and its base is so sturdy that you can join a video conference as it stays secure. You should also check out the similar product from Syncwire. It's even more versatile. The 3-in-1 wireless station will top up 3 devices at a time. In case your phone is about to die, use the power bank. Finally, there are ports that deliver a maximum power output of 68 watts. No time for gym. This standing desk exercise bike is a great solution for that. Its hands-free platform is your chance to build your cycling muscles and burn more calories while you're typing. Physical exercise and healthy food are the best way to get healthier, and the desk exercise bike is the key to the first point. The bike works smoothly and the range of resistance is good for using while working. Solid base and adjustable seat customize the device and guarantee your safety during so-called workouts. The desk surface is large enough to accommodate a laptop, notebooks, and your mobile phone. The entire unit doesn't move around when cycling and couldn't be easier to use. No matter where you work, you need to keep the air at your working place fresh and clean. Boasting 2 powerful purification technologies, the Quair Plasma Go portable air purifier effectively neutralizes harmful particles in the air and cleans your entire breathing space. Furthermore, the device comes with a removable battery, so you can take it anywhere you want. Plus, its 11-hour battery life keeps you breathing clean as you head out for a full day. Designed with a rotatable top, it allows you to adjust the airflow direction as needed while letting you monitor real-time air quality on the OLED screen. This one's a perfect tool for those who love to read, to write, and to work with comfort. Amazon Kindle Scribe larger reader boasts an e-ink display ideal for reading, and the included pen allows you to make notes, add them to your Word and PDF documents on the go, and even send docs to your Kindle Scribe directly from Word where you use your computer. Additionally, the pen magnetically attaches to the side of the Scribe, so you'd never lose it. So handy. Although this is an organizer for your desk, you might end up using it as a fidget toy. See, this magnetic rotatable lid is so well balanced that you can spin it forever. And aside from that, this thing provides plenty of compartments for your everyday essentials: keys, wallet, glasses, and earphones. Feel free to customize your box using the included removable dividers. It's fully adjustable. Both color options look great, so it's gonna be a tough choice. Divoom's TimeBox Bluetooth speaker proves that pixel art can be used to decorate any room. It features a fairly large screen with 121 bright LEDs. This brings you some colorful animations and glanceable info like the weather or your notifications. The speaker is provided with a mobile app that offers a ton of customization options. You can display any image from the large gallery or even draw your own one. Since it's pixel art, there are some mini games as well. This speaker also cares a lot about your sleep. That's how a speaker turns into a personal assistant. Do you spend most of your time participating in video conferences? You need a proper mic. This one by Somica is equipped with a 16mm diaphragm capsule to deliver richer and crystal clear audios. The built-in noise reduction gets rid of unwanted sounds. There are 3 reverb modes to meet your recording needs, which means you can also use the product when live streaming, gaming, and so on. In addition, it works right out of the box. No software to install. Just plug and play, whether you're using a PC, laptop, or just smartphone. Finally, those 30 light beds look fancy. As for me, I'm in love with that new button on the front. To complete that colorful set, I think you should also take a look at this headset stand. First, it gives you 2 more additional ports and a cable storage bin to keep the working place tidy. But it's all about that light strip that dances to the beats of the music, of course. So pick one of 9 light modes and enjoy your desktop party. Nothing beats the classics. This is an authentic Nixie tube clock, but with some modern features. So the first thing you'll notice are those 4 Nixie tubes with numbers. You can configure a bunch of different ways to display date, time, motion activation delay. You can even customize how the time changes. Blue lights under tubes can be turned on and off. Nice, but look over here. This model features the same premium construction with original Nixie tubes, but here's what it can do. So it charges your phone, wirelessly or using the cable, and even plays some music, since it doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. For the best sound, Bold is made of 16mm acoustic plywood. You'll like the final result. Are you having a break? Why don't you listen to some music or finish the quest you started last week? The SteelSeries Arena 9 surround speaker system will bring those activities to new heights. Boasting 5.1 surround sound, the system has a 6.5-inch subwoofer that completely immerses you with just one USB connection. Altogether, the system includes 2 front speakers with illumination, 2 rear speakers, 1 dedicated center channel speaker, and 1 subwoofer. There are a couple of other options with more compact design. All of them are literally packed with backlit elements. With the immersive stereo sound and easy controls, they're especially good for gaming. Which one you choose? Are you looking for a perfect mouse you can work and play with all day long? This one seems weird, but it's as easy to use as the traditional mouse. Its biggest pro is that your hand remains in a vertical position, so there's no way you'll feel stiffness or fatigue in your wrist. Plus, there's also a palm rest for additional comfort. 2 wheels and extra buttons make the operation even quicker, while the OLED screen will provide you with all glanceable info. Lastly, it can connect to 4 devices simultaneously, so you can add a couple more screens to boost productivity. Light up the dark side of your desk with the Firebox Star Wars TIE Fighter desk lamp. Featuring a posable design, the light source can stand up to 25 inches tall. Instead of getting its power from 2 ion engines, the lamp gets its energy via USB. It also comes with a 10-foot-long cable, making it easy to connect to the closest outlet to your desk. Are you more into the latest tech? This Pino lamp is equipped with an eye that will track your moves and your face, so you could stay on the light side. It will even adjust the light according to the surroundings. Low battery? Yep, Pino will top up your mobile device. Oh great, the big bro is watching me again. No, this eye keeps you in comfort by monitoring your surroundings. When the temperature changes, it will immediately turn on the vent and notify you of the change. Has there been any unwanted movement? The device will notify you of that and turn on the nearest cam. Oh, that's just an actor for the birthday party. Let him in. Don't worry, there won't be any false alarms. The eye is smart enough to distinguish a human from a pet. Finally, it allows you to set scenes for every part of your house and even save some money. This one's for fans of stickers with to-do lists for either everyday or monthly goals. It's a palm-sized whiteboard, and it's an eco-friendly way to create notes. And more productive too. No more falling off stickers you throw to the bin. The magnets on the back allow you to attach smaller boards to any metal surface. Just one or a couple of them, all over the monitor. Do you meet the classified tasks and ideas? Move the boards. It's that easy. One piece can be singled out from a whole picture, so this tool will help you focus on one specific task. Wow, what's that? With this power station, you won't have to worry about tripping over cables on the floor. Each charging station comes with 5 or 10 smart portable chargers, which can easily be deployed and fully recharged in just 3 hours. Each portable charger in its turn is equipped with a multitude of charging options and can easily power most school or work laptops, remotes, and any other mobile and not-so-mobile devices. This option with 10 chargers might seem useless for those who are working from home, but it's a perfect solution for anybody in shared workspaces and those who have to collaborate on a daily basis. Simplify your live stream or content creation with the Razer Steam Controller. It features 12 haptic switchblade keys, whose level of tactile response you can adjust. Then, 6 tactile analog dials allow you to control the media, audio, and other channels. Meanwhile, 9 programmable buttons provide practical shortcuts. You can group commands and move through them with just a finger swipe. Even better, it works with plugins for tools like Twitch, OBS Studio, Razer Key Light Chroma plugin, Spotify, and so on. Finally, you can personalize this gadget's look with cool static and animated icons.